Hey guys, here's everything I ate today, and I started my day off with some coffee. That's usually how I start my days off, and I just had my coffee with no sort of milk, just a little bit of brown sugar. And then for breakfast I had an avocado toast. It's tomatoes, salt, avocados, and a bit of tajin, which is a Mexican spice mix. And yeah, I just had that on my bed because I am super lazy like that. And honestly, guys, I love avocado toast so much. I make it all the time whenever I have avocados. And then for an afternoon snack, I had a plate of fruit, and they were super good except the peach, which was a bit rotten on the inside. So that was a bit of a bummer. And then for lunch I wanted a sort of Mexican salad, so I grilled up some frozen corn, and then I chopped up half a yellow bell pepper, along with one tomato, and I added both those to a can of black beans. And then added in half a cucumber and then a quarter of a red onion chopped, but you could use any kind of onion. And then I tossed in a handful of some chopped cilantro. And then for the greens, to bulk up the salad, I used 2 cups of some red leaf lettuce, but you could use spinach, any type of lettuce, whatever greens you want. And the salad was super easy to make. The flavors in the vegetables are already so delicious. But yeah, so add in the corn. That really, for the dressing, I kept it simple. I only used a little bit of lime and lemon juice and salt and pepper. And then obviously I topped it off with some tajin because that's just the best thing ever. And I also did top it off with some sliced avocados. And yeah, that was a really delicious salad. I had like 2 or 3 bowls of the salad while I was doing some editing, and it was super satisfying. For dinner I wanted something a little bit more sweeter, so I made some cookies. So I used half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter cup of soy milk, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And don't worry, I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup of vegan chocolate chips, and I just added a bit of soy milk to help my dough come together. Then you bake these at 350 degrees, and that's it. Some super easy vegan chocolate chip cookies. And as you can see, I kind of burnt half of them, but they were really good either way. And I ate like 4 cookies with some soy milk for dinner and finished off the rest of the salad. So yeah guys, that was everything I ate today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.